Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making scorched rice air fryer version. Let's get right to it. To start, prepare cooked white rice and place in a mixing bowl. Breaking up clumps with a spoon and also hand. Add cooking oil, light soy sauce, and stir fully. Add rice on a piece of foil sheet in a single layer. Cook at 200 degrees Celsius in the air fryer for 15 minutes. Then scorched rice air fryer version is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.